Hello everyone, Marianne Heitken here, Program Leader and Teacher for English Express. This morning I am at our local lube rack getting an oil change, and I thought what a great opportunity to create a field trip video for my English Express family. So let's go next door into the shop and learn some English around an oil change. See you in there. Bye-bye. Ted, lube rack owner. Car lift. Car lift. Oil filter. Oil filter. Oil pan and drain plug. Oil pan and drain plug. Drain the engine. Drain the engine. Old filter. Old filter. New filter. New filter. Oil dispenser. Oil dispenser. Engine oil refill. Engine oil refill. Engine oil dipstick. Engine oil dipstick.